Welcome to this video. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to install NetBeans, a powerful and versatile IDE used by developers worldwide. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have NetBeans fully set up and ready to use for your projects. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to the official Apache NetBeans website. Link in description. Navigate to the download page and select the version that matches your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Click to download. Locate the downloaded.exe file and double-click it to run the installer. Follow the installation prompts. Select the components you need, like Java SE or Java EE. Accept the license agreement. You can change the path installation. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Once the installation is done, open NetBeans from your Start menu or desktop icon. Choose a project and click the Next. That's it! You now have NetBeans installed and ready to use. You can start creating projects, coding, and exploring its features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.